Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. This is poke salad. It's poisonous. We here in the South, we eat it, but we parboil it about 3 times before you fry it up and mix it in with some scrambled eggs. Let me show you 2 ways to make fire with it. Of course, you do not want to breathe in those fumes. If I can get some pith out of this thing, yeah, I see some right there. We'll go ahead and solar ignite that with the walnut Fresnel lens. And then I'm going to fire roll these leaves right here. Now I'm using the entire cotton ball so I can get a bigger diameter fire roll, which makes it easier for the top and bottom boards to grip the roll to drive it. Non-ash fire rolls are always challenging about the top and bottom boards being able to grip it to drive it. So let's see what we got here. We'll get this pinch of pine needles going and stick it in the hobo stove. Probably don't want to breathe that smoke in. All right. We use the walnut Fresnel lens to solar ignite that pith because it's a good coal extender. Good coal extenders like fungus and punkwood will accept a weak ignition source. Keep that ember on a slow burn until you get ready to use it to ignite your tinder bundle, and then it aerates into an intense ember. So always put these ridges towards the sun. You don't have to try to ask me. You don't have to try to ask me what brand of Fresnel lens that I use. Any of them will work, really. Now, let's see how much pith we can get out of here. Don't have your shades with you, just keep looking away every 15 or 20 seconds. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Plant pith is a great coal extender, and it just occurred to me today that I've never really demonstrated that for you. Let me show you what I found in the washing machine. In this crack right here. Hey, Roosevelt dime. The reeding has worn off of the edge, and there's more wear on the back. And a penny from 1945. Don't know what a weedy penny was doing in there. He's got some wear on his face, some wear on them grains of wheat. And then this one, a modern penny, which we know is copper clad zinc. There's like, let's get down here in the sun. There's like 3% copper over 97% zinc, and it must be softer than the solid copper pennies because it has significant wear on it. We'll catch you on the next one.